Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've filmed, but today I'm going to be dyeing my hair this Blackpink Mermaid green color by Hello Bubble. So it's like the foam dyes, and yeah, so it's perfect just because How You Like That by Blackpink came out yesterday, and oh my goodness, like I love Blackpink. Anyways, so right now my hair is just, it's permed and it's got like a brown color to it. I don't know if you can see, you can probably see in the light, right? I don't know, it's just like that. And hopefully this is going to turn it green, if not just like a dark color, but it says it would, but it might not be accurate. So yeah, it's okay. But so what comes in this? So it comes with the instructions and the gloves and the thing that goes around your clothing. It comes with the this, I don't know what this is. This is number 1. That's all I can see. This is number 3. I don't know. There's 1, 2, and 3. I'm guessing. And we've got this, and then we've also got the pump for this, and then also the 3-minute serum, no, the 3-minute hair treatment at the end. And then we're gonna lather this on, and then we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so I've got the instructions in front of me, and apparently you should apply it from your roots to your tips. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this and then pour, what is this? Pour the first solution. I'm doing this in my room. I don't know if it's the best option, because last time I dyed my hair in my room I stained my white desk, but hopefully I might be careful this time. And then put this as well. I think this is number 3, is the secret magic oil. I'm guessing this is going to be the stuff that doesn't make your hair too dry. And it says don't shake it, so just swing it like side to side for about 20 times.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Okay, so I've coated like on my hair, and there's still a lot of foam. I'm just trying to use all of it. Yeah. I'm just gonna apply the last of it and then wait. Leave the dye on for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll probably leave it on for 30 minutes. Go eat some food because I haven't eaten yet. Yeah, I'll show you guys later the results, and hopefully it doesn't ruin my permed hair that much, but it's okay if it does. So sick of the brassiness of my brown hair. Okay, so I'm done and I did that, and I'm gonna wrap this. Yeah. Come on, done. Yes, so wait, no, keep that on, keep that on. Oh gosh. Yes, no, keep this on. Like, wrap it somehow.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
I look so stupid. Okay, it's fine. Just wrap it like that. Try cover this part. Majority of it's covered. I'm gonna be like this for the next 30 minutes, and then I'll go wash it out and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, so I waited like roughly like I think 30 to 40 minutes just because I was in the middle of eating, and then I washed it out. But right now I'm just gonna blow dry it. I used the hair treatment it came with, and it makes your hair really smooth. But, I'm just gonna put my fringe up. Okay. Yes, so just gonna clip that in, and then with my towel dry hair, I'm gonna use this the Mise Perfect Hair Serum. I've used their products for like quite a while, that's why I really like their foaming, their hair dye. But I'm just gonna Okay, so I dried my hair. It's like kind of still damp just because like with permed hair you kind of leave it, I leave the bottom half of my hair to just like dry naturally. But oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see. It's like, I'm pretty sure it is green. I can see it, but like I don't think the camera can catch it. It just looks pretty dark for now. Yeah, but overall this hair dye was like pretty good. It's a lot nicer than like the other hair dyes, like in terms of smell, but also it doesn't like dry out your hair too much. I didn't feel like it was too dry even though I had permed hair. But yeah, it will definitely work on I think brown hair or like dyed. I think it would work on like brown hair or just like obviously bleached hair. But overall, like, can you see? Yeah, overall I really like it. I'm so excited, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys